everyone and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we are going to learn about Taurus sun sign. So let's get right into the video. Stable and home loving, those born with a Taurus sun sign are steady, strong and reliable people who usually exercise self-control. They are the calm in the middle of the storm. These are the people you want around in a crisis. They can be disciplined and determined if pushed too far. However, they may be very difficult to calm down. The Taurus sun sign personality is practical and smart rather than intellectual. They may have a tendency to get stuck on their own opinions or get stuck in a hut, and it can be very difficult to get them to see a new point of view. Did this stubbornness can lead to rigid ultra conservatives, although most don't go to extreme level. So they can be frustratingly inflexible at times as friends. Taurus sun sign is faithful to the end. They are affectionate and choosy about whom they befriend. They are a good choice if you are looking for a friend to enjoy a night on the town with, as they appreciate the fine things in life. Ever tempt and modest, they can also be self-conscious and possessive. They make loving spouses who remain faithful, though feel and kind. While they may not have the most spontaneous personality, they will always make you feel appreciated and loved themselves. Adore romance. They will sometimes cause a quarrel just for the pleasure of making up. Taurus sun sign likes order, beauty and luxury. They enjoy the sensual pleasures of life like eating fine foods, comfortable furniture, the scent of the rose, beautiful music and so on. They may need to resist the temptation of overindulge, especially with food. Because of this temptation, it is important for Taurus not to fixate luxurious on luxurious too much. Their health can suffer for it. Taurus enjoys owning nice things. It adds to the security and the love for luxury. Those born with a Taurus sun sign are industrious and talented workers who aren't afraid to do whatever is necessary. They are methodical and reliable and do best in a job with a little need of urgency and risk. They are creative, honest and can be good at running their own business. They are not afraid to work hard and are usually respected by their co-workers. You may find a successful Taurus in industry, farming, medicine, finance, education and the arts. They can span a wide variety of talents. They are usually careful with money and will usually accumulate that which they need to maintain a good life. Security is important for them and comfortable doesn't always mean the same to them as it does to someone else. They do have the talent to separate work from play. Though the idea of play is more than relaxing, they enjoy the outdoors and usually have an excellent sense of humor. Taurus sun sign hate to feel that they are being used. or manipulated, they need to know that they are safe and appreciated, or they may develop resentment in some areas of their life. They may also have a fear of loss or experience varying varying degrees of paranoia. So if you love this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay at home. If you want anything, then only go outside, or else you know what's coming next. So